Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how you can make such a beautiful logging page in Oracle Apex by using some simple CSS, nothing else. You just have to use some simple CSS, then you can make such a beautiful logging page. Okay, let's get started. The first step you need to do is click on this login box and go to page designer. From here, click on shared component. Then you have to go to the template section and you have to search login. There you will find two login. One is a page type, one is a region type. You have to copy the region one. Just give it a name as you like. After creating the new logging region, just click on it. From here, you have to add a new class. You can see you have to add a new class named logging box. After creating a new class, just click on apply change. Then click on run. You will not see any changes because you have to change the template. Click on the page designer again. From here, you can see on the appearance section, you have to change the logging. You have to change the logging from the logging region you have created, the logging avatar. You can see. Okay. Now click on save. Now you have to add a picture for logging page, like add a logo for the logging page. For uploading a logo, just click on shared component. Then you have to go to the static application files. Then you have to upload a logo if you have. I have already uploaded a logo, but I will upload again. Click on create file. You can upload a logo by like as you like. So I'm uploading a logo for my login page. Just click on create. After clicking create, you have to copy the reference now. The reference. Oh, okay. Then after copying the reference, go to shared component again. Then you have to go back to the template section. Open the logging avatar you have created, the region. From here, you have to add the images. So how you can add the images? From here, click on enter. You have to add an image tag. So I'm using an image source, and in here, just paste the reference. Then you have to add a class. I'm adding a class named avatar. Okay. Avatar. Then after creating this class, just save on apply changes and click on run. You can see the logo is already here, but this is all messed up. You have to fix something for that. Just click on the logging. From here, just you have to change few things. First of all, you have to from here you have to go to the template option and make it only title. Okay. After make it only title, the logo of the default logo will be gone. Then you have to fix this logo you have uploaded. For that, you have to go to the inline CSS. The logging page one, click on this logging page. Then from here, go below. You will find a CSS section named inline. You have to open this inline. In here, you have to paste a code. I will give this code in the description. You will find it. Use this code, this class code. After pasting this code, then click on save and run. Then you can see the logo is resized. By using, you can modify this code by as your requirement. So I have already made it, so you can use. Then you can see there is an practice app. There is the bottom name. If you want, you can. If you want, you can keep that, or if you want to hide it, you have to use another thing. For that, okay, you have to go to the login page name. From here, you have to change the title. You have to use an title tag name. You can see this one. If you use this, the login title will be automatically hidden. You can see. Just click on save and run. You can see the title is gone. Okay. Now the second step, the logo section is done. Logo section is done. The next step is you have to go to the login page again. From here, you have to open the inline. From inline, you have to use some codes. You can see there is like other codes also. You have to copy and paste the entire code. Control C and Control V. After copying and pasting the entire code, just click on save and run. Then you will see a little change on the design, but there is a few things left. You can see the sign in button is not properly changed. So for that, click on the button. You have to add a you can see in the CSS code there is a class button 420. You have to paste the class in the login section. Just let me refresh it once again. You have to paste the class on the login button. You can see the CSS class. Paste the class in here. Then click on run. Then you will see the button will be changed automatically. Added animation. Same for the logging box. You have to add a class. The class is already given on the code. You can see the class name is fading down. The class name is fading down. You have to copy this class and paste it in the box, the CSS section. Okay. Now you can see some changes in the design. You can see there is an animation added and there is some like you can see simple animation already added. Now what you need to do, you need to add a background images. Okay, for that, click on the login box and you have to go to the shared component again. From here, you have to go to the static application file, upload an image for background. Like same process. I have already chosen a background image. So I will upload it. Click on create. From here, same, you have to copy the reference now. After copying the reference now, go to the edit page section. You just have to replace this code. From here, go to the inline CSS section again. Then you can see there is already a background image code already added. Just you have to replace this code with the new code. Then click on save and run. Then you can see the background is already changed. You can add some more background effect from like here. Just go to the login page section and from here click on use template. From here you can see page background. There is a default. There is three design that are provided by default design provided by Apex. You can use them. You can see it from here. Click on save and run. I have chosen the background 3. You can see these are the like default background images that are provided by Apex. Now you can see the background images are looking like exactly the same as the previous one. You can see and the simple process. You can do it. So guys, the login page design is done. You can see it's looking so beautiful right now. So I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, make sure to follow, subscribe and like the video and also comment what video you guys need in the next video. Allah Hafiz.